Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to block spam or scam calls on a Samsung phone. Let's get started. Open the phone app on your Samsung device. At the bottom, tap on Keypad. In the top right corner, tap the three dots and select Settings. Scroll down and find Caller ID and Spam Protection, then turn this feature on. Make sure Block Spam and Scam Calls is enabled, and select your preferred blocking option at the top. Go back, then tap Block Numbers. Here you can also turn on block calls from unknown numbers to avoid unwanted calls from numbers not saved in your contacts. And that's it. Now you know how to block spam or scam calls on your Samsung phone.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.